So, we are the group 2, and we're here to present to you and demonstrate the Arduino project to the SOS beacon. Before we start, I'm gonna introduce myself and my members. Here are the group 2 members. First, me, Josh Valerie D. Palyarcuna, the leader, and I'm in the introduction. My members are Jan Cedric Lahato. He will demonstrate and explain to us the procedure and instruction of the Arduino. Ashik Yumed Al-Sinawi. He will explain to us our source code to run this program or project. Third, Christian Balwardo. He will be the one to tell us our materials that are gonna need and gonna use for this project. What is the SOS beacon? In Arduino, the SOS pattern is controlled through a program that turns the light on and off at specific intervals to match the Morse code, and this is often used to demonstrate timing controls, and each visual signals or alarms is emergency-related projects.
Here are the materials that we are going to use for this project. First is the Arduino board. It acts as the microcontroller to control the flow of current and provide power to the LED. Breadboard, a platform used to build and test the circuit without soldering it. Jumper cables, used to connect different components on the breadboard or between the Arduino and the breadboard, allowing current to flow through the circuit. 220R resistor, limits the current flowing through the LED to prevent it from burning out. 5mm LED, the light emitting diode that glows when electricity flows through it.
Good day everyone. In this video, I'll talk about the instructions of how to assemble the AP1. The image that you see that appears, it shows how a basic Arduino setup with a breadboard and an LED circuit. I'll explain step by step of what is happening in the circuit. The components in the image is on my right is Arduino board, and on the left is breadboard, LED, resistor 220R, and jumper wires. The GND or ground pin from the Arduino is connected to the ground rail or blue line. On the breadboard using a black jumper wire, the 5 volts pin from the Arduino is connected to the positive rail or a red line on the breadboard using a red jumper wire. This supplies the required power to the breadboard. Next step is LED placement. The LED is placed on the breadboard. It has 2 pins. A longer leg is positive and the shorter leg is a negative. The longer leg connects to the positive side and the shorter leg connects to the ground through a resistor. Next step, resistor placement. A resistor placement is placed between the anode of the LED and the Arduino pin, connected by the blue wire. The resistor limits the current going to the LED to prevent it from burning out. The other leg of the LED is connected to the ground on the breadboard.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an LED blink in a pattern using Arduino. We'll use some simple code to control the timing of the blink and create a repeating sequence. First, let's talk about the start of our code. In this line, we create a constant integer called kpinLED and assign the value to number 3. This tells us that our LED is connected to pin number 3 on the Arduino board. By using this, it's easier for us to refer to the pin when we write the rest of the program. Now, let's move on into setup function. This part runs one time when we turn on the Arduino or we reset it. In this part, we tell the Arduino to treat pin 3 as an output using something called pin mode. This means we are going to use that pin to send signal to the LED connected to it, telling it when to turn on and off. Now let's talk about the loop function. This function keeps running over and over again, so the LED can blink in the pattern we want, and it tells the LED to stay on for 100 milliseconds and turn off for 200 milliseconds. And the digital write function sends a signal to the LED to make it turn on or off, and the delay helps to pause everything for a short time. In the code, we make a light blink 3 times in the quick pattern. Each time it blinks, the light turn on for 100 milliseconds and then turn off for 200 milliseconds. So the light will go on and off quickly 3 times in a row. After the 3 quick blinks, we will see the light blink differently. This time, the light will stay on for a long time, which is 600 milliseconds, and then it will turn off for 200 milliseconds. This slower blinking will happen 3 times too. To recap, first, the light blink really fast 3 times. Each blink is lasting 100 milliseconds, and then it stays off for 200 milliseconds. After that, the lights blink slower 3 times. This time, it stays on for 200 milliseconds and turning off. Then this whole pattern start over and over and again. Thank you.